Glide left.
Snatch that waist up.
Very good. So you guys will place. And Cori, look above her head because your eyes are closed. I'm looking at the tree. Bring it, ladies. Bring it.
The hot.
Sometimes naked Anika.
Beast mode, baby.
Alright. Make sure your eyes are open because they look really good. Further down. Even that way you do that. Then that way you got green behind them too. Alright. Come down here and get them right through here.
Think of what you want for the group shot for me. The redo group shot.
Oh yeah, because that was the one where they were squinting in the pool. So as much as I would like the pool, you think the sun's intense right now, right?
Well, we'll see what happens. Alrighty, a few more. It's just like a body over, like where Cori is, and then everyone.
Sometimes naked.
Sometimes naked. Most times naked.
Most of the time.
But you gotta pay to see it.
My 1% is give me body, baby.